What if managing diabetes didn't mean giving up every sweet, comforting sip you enjoy? What if, just what if, some sweet drinks could actually help support your blood sugar instead of sending it soaring? If you're living with diabetes, you've probably heard it 1,000 times. Stay away from anything sweet. But here's the truth. Not all sweetness is bad. And today I've got something that might surprise you, in the best way. In this video, we're going to explore two naturally sweet teas that are not only safe for people with diabetes, but might also help lower blood sugar levels over time. These aren't your average grocery store teas either. They're gentle, plant-based, and have been quietly studied for their powerful effects. In fact, even some doctors are starting to take a second look at them. So grab a comfy seat, maybe a warm mug, and let's dive into these sweet little secrets that could change the way you think about diabetes. Friendly drinks. 1. Peppermint tea, the calm, naturally sweet healer. Let's talk about a tea that's not only soothing and delicious, but also surprisingly helpful for people living with diabetes. I'm talking about peppermint tea. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Isn't that just something you drink when you have a cold? And sure, peppermint tea is known for being calming and comforting, but there's a lot more going on beneath that minty surface, especially for older adults and folks managing their blood sugar. Peppermint tea has been used for generations as a gentle remedy, and it's earned that reputation for good reason. First off, let's talk about digestion. If you ever feel heavy, bloated, or gassy after meals, especially after dinner, peppermint tea could become your new best friend. The natural compounds in peppermint help relax the muscles in your digestive tract, which allows gas to pass more easily and reduces that tight, uncomfortable feeling in your stomach. This can be especially helpful for older adults who may deal with slower digestion or side effects from certain medications. Instead of reaching for over-the-counter antacids, you might just need a warm mug of peppermint tea to settle things down naturally. But peppermint doesn't stop at digestion. A lot of seniors report that drinking peppermint tea helps with mild aches and pains, especially in the lower back, knees, or shoulders after a long day. It's not a replacement for medical treatment if you have chronic pain or arthritis, but the natural menthol in peppermint acts as a muscle relaxant. That means it may help take the edge off tension, making it easier to relax at night or move more comfortably during the day. Now here's where it gets really interesting for people managing diabetes. Peppermint tea is naturally sweet, but it has no sugar, no carbs, and no calories. That's a pretty big deal. So many people feel like they have to give up everything sweet after a diabetes diagnosis. But peppermint gives you that satisfying, clean flavor without messing with your blood sugar. Whether you drink it hot in the winter or iced in the summer, it's a refreshing and safe treat, without the guilt. Another big bonus, peppermint tea supports mental clarity and focus. A lot of people with type 2 diabetes, especially older adults, report occasional brain fog or mental fatigue. That can be frustrating, especially when you're trying to stay on top of your diet, your medications, and your health. Peppermint tea has a gentle, natural ability to wake up the mind, without the crash or jitters you might get from coffee. It's a perfect pick-me-up if you need a little boost in the morning, or a gentle way to feel more awake after lunch. And if you deal with headaches, you'll be glad to know that peppermint tea may help with that too. It relaxes the blood vessels and muscles around the head and neck, which can ease tension headaches or mild migraines. Just the act of sipping something warm and breathing in the soothing steam can start to bring relief. Now let's talk about something nearly everyone struggles with. Sugar cravings, especially after dinner. You know that feeling, right? You've had a healthy meal, but an hour later you're standing in front of the fridge or pantry looking for something sweet. Drinking peppermint tea in the evening can actually trick your brain into thinking you've had dessert. The cooling, refreshing taste sends a signal of satisfaction to your brain, which may help curb cravings and keep you from reaching for cookies or candy. There's also something amazing about how peppermint tea supports your respiratory system. If you've ever felt congested or struggled with sinus pressure during allergy season, the natural menthol in peppermint can help open up your airways. Even just breathing in the steam while sipping can give you relief. And because peppermint has anti-inflammatory properties, it might even help with mild swelling in the legs, ankles, or feet, a common issue for people living with diabetes. Of course, the physical benefits are wonderful, but let's not overlook how peppermint tea makes you feel. Life with diabetes can be stressful, especially if you're always reading labels, watching what you eat, checking your blood sugar, and trying to make the right choices. Peppermint tea gives you a moment of peace, a few minutes to breathe. It creates a small daily ritual that feels like a gift to yourself. Something warm, familiar, and grounding. It may not solve all your problems, but it can definitely make them feel a little lighter. Another great thing? It's simple to prepare. You don't need fancy tools or ingredients. Just boil some water, drop in a peppermint tea bag or a few fresh mint leaves from your garden, and let it steep for about 10 minutes. You can enjoy it plain, or spice things up a little with a cinnamon stick for warmth, or even mix it with green tea if you want a touch of natural caffeine. It's versatile, delicious, and completely caffeine-free on its own, which makes it perfect for bedtime too. And guess what? It's affordable and easy to find. Peppermint tea is available at almost any grocery store or pharmacy, and it's often just a couple of dollars for a box of 20 or more bags. That makes it one of the most accessible and budget-friendly tools for anyone trying to improve their health in small but meaningful ways. Some people even grow mint at home, on a patio, in a window box, or right in the backyard, so they always have fresh leaves ready for steeping. In the end, peppermint tea may seem simple, but sometimes the simplest things are the most powerful. When added to your daily routine, this naturally sweet, calming tea can support your digestion, reduce stress, curb cravings, ease pain, and even help you breathe better. It's gentle, it's safe, and best of all, it feels good to drink. For anyone managing diabetes or just looking to build healthier habits, peppermint tea is more than just a beverage. It's a form of self-care. So if you haven't tried adding peppermint tea to your routine, maybe tonight is the night to start. Brew a cup, take a deep breath, and enjoy a moment of peace. Your body and your blood sugar just might thank you. And that's only the beginning. Stick around, because in the next part of this video, we're going to dive into another sweet tea that's just as surprising, and possibly even more powerful, when it comes to supporting stable blood sugar. You won't want to miss it. If you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any future tips on managing blood sugar naturally. And if you have any questions or something you're struggling with, drop a comment below. I read every one, and I'm here to help. 2. Fennel tea. The gentle, sweet digestive aid. Now let's talk about another tea that doesn't get nearly as much attention as it deserves. Fennel tea. This one might surprise you. It's not flashy or trendy, and you probably won't see it on big supermarket ads or featured in cafe menus. But fennel tea has been quietly helping people feel better for centuries. And for those living with diabetes, especially older adults, it may offer some truly comforting and healing support. So what exactly is fennel? It's a plant with a soft, licorice-like flavor, commonly used in cooking, but when steeped into tea, it transforms into something really special. Just like peppermint tea, fennel tea is completely naturally sweet, yet it contains no sugar, no caffeine, and no artificial ingredients. That means it gives you that soft, gentle sweetness many of us crave after meals without raising your blood sugar levels. And when you're trying to stay on top of your health, every little bit counts. One of the standout benefits of fennel tea is how well it supports digestion. After a big meal, especially dinner, it's common to feel bloated or uncomfortable. For older adults or people with diabetes, digestion often slows down a little with age or medication, and that can lead to things like gas, belly cramps, or even constipation. Fennel tea has long been used as a natural remedy for those exact problems. It helps relax the digestive muscles, making it easier for your body to process food. That means less bloating, fewer cramps, and a calmer, more comfortable stomach. And it doesn't stop there. Fennel tea can also gently support regular bowel movements, without acting like a harsh laxative. For people dealing with irregularity or even IBS, irritable bowel syndrome, this kind of gentle support can be a game changer. It doesn't upset your stomach or create urgency, it just helps your body work the way it's supposed to. Now here's something else you might not expect. Fennel tea has been shown to help ease chest pressure or mild cramping after meals, especially that tight, full feeling some people get in the upper chest or belly after eating. For women, especially those going through hormonal shifts or menopause, fennel tea may even help ease hot flashes and discomfort related to hormonal changes. It relaxes your muscles, calms the body, and helps everything settle down naturally. If you ever have trouble falling asleep, fennel tea might become a new bedtime favorite. It's not a sedative, so it won't knock you out, but it does help your body unwind. After a heavy dinner, or if you're just feeling tense, a warm cup of fennel tea signals your body that it's time to relax. That can make it easier to drift off and enjoy more restful sleep, which is so important when you're managing your blood sugar. Studies have even linked better sleep with better glucose control. So it's not just about feeling good, it's about protecting your long-term health. And here's a nice bonus. Fennel tea naturally freshens your breath. If you've had garlic, onions, or anything with a strong aftertaste, fennel can help neutralize that and leave your mouth feeling clean. Some people even use cooled fennel tea as a natural mouth rinse. It's safe, gentle, and has no harsh chemicals. Now let's talk about something a lot of people with diabetes deal with: water retention and swelling. Whether it's in your hands, feet, or ankles, fluid buildup can be frustrating and uncomfortable. Fennel A acts as a mild diuretic, which means it helps your body gently release extra water without dehydrating you. That can ease puffiness and reduce that tight, swollen feeling in the legs and feet, especially at the end of a long day. If you find yourself feeling sluggish or tired in the afternoon, fennel tea can give you a subtle energy boost without caffeine. It's not a jolt like coffee, but more of a gentle lift that helps you feel a little more awake and alert. That's especially helpful if you're trying to avoid caffeine in the evening, but still need something to help you stay focused after lunch. Brewing fennel tea is incredibly easy and budget-friendly. All you need is hot water and fennel seeds or a fennel tea bag. Steep it for about 10 minutes and you're good to go. You can drink it hot or let it chill and serve it cold with some cucumber or thin apple slices for a refreshing twist. It's one of those little rituals that not only feels good but actually does good for your body. But one of the most fascinating things about fennel tea is how it may help support blood sugar stability. While fennel isn't a replacement for medications or your doctor's guidance, some people with diabetes say they've noticed a difference in their blood sugar readings when they regularly drink fennel tea, especially when paired with balanced meals and mindful eating. Plus, because fennel tea can help reduce bloating and curb hunger, it may also make it easier to stick with healthy portions and avoid unnecessary snacking. For people who struggle with hunger between meals, especially at night, having a warm cup of fennel tea can help reduce cravings and make you feel satisfied without actually eating more. The soft, slightly sweet flavor sends your brain a signal that you've had something comforting, which can reduce the urge to reach for sweets or salty snacks. Another reason I love fennel tea is because it's just so gentle and safe. For people with sensitive stomachs, chronic conditions, or those who are taking several medications, fennel tea offers a natural way to feel better without the risks that come with some over-the-counter remedies. A little bit goes a long way, and it's incredibly affordable and widely available. You can find it at most grocery stores, health food shops, or even at big retailers like Walmart and Target. And if you enjoy gardening, you can even grow your own fennel at home and harvest the seeds yourself. And here's something creative. Fennel tea isn't just for drinking. You can use it in other ways too. Some people use warm fennel tea as a compress for belly tension, placing a warm towel soaked in the tea on their abdomen. Others like to blend it with chamomile tea for a bedtime drink that helps with digestion and promotes better rest. It's a versatile, healing tea that fits beautifully into a daily wellness routine. At the end of the day, fennel tea is one of those quiet, powerful tools that doesn't need to shout to be effective. It works gently, consistently, and offers support where many people need it most: digestion, blood sugar, rest, and relief. It's the kind of tea that feels like it's looking out for you, helping your body stay balanced, one cup at a time. So if you've never tried fennel tea before, this might be the perfect time to start. Give it a chance, listen to your body, and notice how even a small habit like this can make a big difference in how you feel. When it comes to managing diabetes naturally, every mindful choice adds up. And fennel tea just might be one of the simplest, sweetest ones you can make. So there you have it. 2 naturally sweet teas that do more than just taste good. Peppermint and fennel tea can support digestion, ease stress, curb cravings, and even help balance blood sugar, all without adding sugar to your day. They're not magic, but they are gentle, time-tested tools that fit easily into your daily routine. If you're living with diabetes or just want a healthier way to satisfy that sweet craving, these teas are a simple and comforting option. Why not start today? Brew a cup, take a deep breath, and give your body a little love. And if this helped you, be sure to like and subscribe. We've got more natural, diabetes-friendly tips coming your way. Click the next video to learn which healthy foods might be secretly spiking your blood sugar. You don't want to miss it. Thank you for watching our video today. If you found this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe button to support us. We truly appreciate you support, and it will motivate us to continue make more information video to help you all. Thank you and goodbye.